same thing, except we got a way bigger jump, by double the size. And we're gonna see if I can be 11.6. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can. I bet I get off this jump, get about 13, but I'm getting like literally like high.
Yeah, you're getting there.
It's such a, if you never tried dirt before, you gotta try that adrenaline rush. Insane. You're just floating in air.
Yeah. Cleared 11.6. As you saw. This is 12 feet right here. Okay. Just cleared 12 feet barely. We did it. Alright, we just cleared 12 foot 6 inches. Going for 13 now. Just cleared 13 feet. We're going for 13 and a half now. Alright, so we're trying 14 feet again. As you can see, we just cleared 14 that last go at it.
14.
We're gonna stop there for today.
Yep. He's definitely gonna be part 3 of this. This jump's got a long ways to go.
Oh yeah.
As you see, I think it was towards the middle of the video, I almost did a face plant.
Yeah.
Go back, I saved it. That could have been really bad. That's why I always wear a helmet, kids.
Yep.
I always wear a helmet. Anybody.
Anybody.
Yep. I mean, I crashed going like 2 miles an hour, freak thing.
Yep.
You don't have to be going. I never crashed when going fast, but I seem like I always crash when going slow. I don't know why. Yeah. Yep, so that's basically it for this video, so we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.